Put the window down.
No, let her go. Let her go. How you feeling? You look good.
I'm feeling like it's clean, which I like.
We'll fix that for you later. Dude, look how happy she looks, man. Good job.
Good job finding it.
Hey, man. Family affair, bro. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at this. Look at the back. That looks awesome. The whole thing is opening. Look at that. It's going to close down on it. Oh, it doesn't need one of those things we had to put on the Toyota. Look at that. Oh, shit. That's baller. Look how nice that thing looks, man. Oh, bro. All right, let's go look at Porsches.